Hey, let's get funky. Hey, everybody, I wanted to do a video today on the question, should I listen to subliminals with, or can I listen to subliminals with one earbud, or do I need both earbuds in? Now, I cannot speak for all subliminal creators and all subliminals. However, I will speak for mine and allow you to understand the reason behind this answer, the answer that I give, to where it can apply to all subliminals that you listen to or all subliminal creators. When you make a subliminal, or when I make a subliminal, or when anyone makes a subliminal, right, you have the audio or the affirmations that go into the subliminal. There's no hidden magic or juju, right? There's literally an affirmation that goes into every subliminal. Now, the magic or the juju goes into the actual affirmation. When that affirmation in the subliminal is being read, right, you have in whatever editing software that you use to make the subliminals the option or the choice to, if you want to play the affirmation in both ears or just one ear. Now, I know some subliminal creators, they play affirmations in one ear and then they play the rest of the affirmations or different affirmations for that subliminal in the other earbud. Right? So this is why they say you got to listen with both earphones, right? Because they have different affirmations playing in each ear. Now, most editing softwares and myself, I don't do that. I play the affirmations in both of the ears. Therefore, if you only listen with one headphone, you're not missing out. And you don't even need to listen to headphones if there's no background noise. Now, me, I live on a busy street, obviously, right? It's not efficient for me to listen to subliminals without headphones, because the idea is you want to get those affirmations into your ear, and the subconscious mind is going to pick up the subliminal or the affirmations if it's there no matter what, unless if there's overlaying audio or background noise that's going to disrupt the affirmations to where your subconscious mind cannot pick up all the words, right? So this is the idea why, though it's very, very rare that everybody is like, Seiluke, who lives by themselves and has a quiet room or a quiet place where they could listen without affirmations, right? Most people live with a loud roommate or somebody watching, television or YouTube, or other background noise going on, right? Now, you can listen, and I already made a video on a headphone, so I want to stay on the topic, though. That you can listen with one earbud even too while you're playing games or whatever, because the sound is more, isolated and being, with that ear pod or that earpiece, in your ear. Does that make sense? But when you take out the headphone and you got your phone over here and you're playing a game, it's a lot more difficult and unlikely that those affirmations are going to get into that one ear. So this is the answer. Do you need to listen with both earphones or what? It all depends on the subliminal and the creator, but as I said, generally speaking, yes. Me, myself, and my affirmations, you only need one earbud.